Hi guys, welcome to Taste of Tang. It's Tang Yun. Today I'm going to show you how to make grilled cauliflower. This is a very famous Hunaness dish. You can find it in many kitchens or restaurants all through China. This is special for the people who love the spicy food, intense flavors, and it's easy to stir fry for everyday home cooking. All the ingredients is here. This is the pork belly. This is the cauliflower. I prepare 2 cauliflowers here. This is heavy because white cauliflower. This is light because sweet stem cauliflower. I recommend you use this one. This is also because organic cauliflower. The stem of this kind of cauliflower is a little longer compared with this one. So if you can find it, please buy this kind of cauliflower. Okay, first let's cut and wash the cauliflower. Just look at this. It's really one of the greatest cauliflower dishes in the world. Very tasty. If you like my video today, give me a big thumbs up and see you next time.